University of Engineering and Technology Taxila, Jo Pakistan, Key Top Ranked, Engineering Universities Main Shemal High, as per Times Higher Education 2026 or QS Asia Rankings, OPKO. Ek important announcement Peshkarta High, UET Taxila Punjab Domicile Rakni, well-qualified candidates KO invite Karta High HEC-funded project K Lai, Yis K Title High. Democratizing Robotics in Pakistan, Design and Development of Multidimensional Robotic Platform for STEM Education, Available Position, Research Assistant, Swarm Robotics Lab Salary, Rs 100,000 per month, Duration, 1 Sol Total Positions, 100 Age Limit, 21 Say 35, Sol Eligibility Requirements. Candidate KPAS, Bachelor's Degree, Ani Chahi Mechanico, Mechatronics, Electrical, Electronics, Computer Ya, Software Engineering Main, Strong Expertise Ani Chahi SolidWorks Main, especially Robotic or Mechanical Systems Design Karn Main. Candidate KO Mechanical Assemblies, Enclosures, Linkages or Robotic Frames. Ka Hands-on Experience Hona Chahi. Robotic Platforms Highs Robotic Arms Ya Mobile Robots. Say Familiarity Zarakori High. Manufacturing Techniques, Prototyping or Fabrication Workflows, Ka Knowledge, Hona Chehe. Mechanical Optimization, High Stability, Weight Balance or Ergonomic Design. Ki Samajani, Basic Understanding of URDF or Simulation Tools, Highs Ignition, Gazebo, Yahwehbots, Co-Preference. Electronics, AI, or Software Teams, K-Soth Collaborate Karn, Key Capability Required High. ROS AI, or Programming Key A Knowledge, Extra Advantage, HOGA. General Instructions. Application. Submit Karnika, Process Due Steps, Parmabni. High, Hard Copy Submission Form, UET Taxila. Key Website, Set Download Karin. Form, CV or SAB required documents are, and I sell Main the 4th of December 2025. 3 p.m. Say Pehol Submit Cardine. Online submission, online form B Zarur, Phil Corin, link advertisement main Diagea. Application fee. Rs. 2000. Non-refundable high. Joe Treasurer, UET Taxila, K Nampar. Bank draft, postal order. Yaha Bael. Chalin Kazaria, Jamakarwa Nihogi. Yeah, position purely project-based high. Permanent appointment Kakoi claim Nahi Hoga. Attested copies of degrees, certificates CNIC, experience letters, or recent photographs attached Karna Lazmi High. Incomplete Ya late applications, except Nahi Ki, Joyengi Surf, shortlisted candidates, KO test, interview K Lai Balaya Joyega, test Ye, interview K Lai Koita da admissible Nahi Hoga. UET Taxila Kisi B, application KO, accept Ya reject Karn, Kapora Ikatia Rakta High.